So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba umorder or mag-request ng silver play button sa YouTube. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, unang-una is bubuksan lang natin ang ating YouTube Studio or ang ating YouTube app. And then, dito guys, mula sa ating YouTube Studio, pumunta lang tayo sa notification ng ating account. And then, dito guys, sa notifications ng ating YouTube Studio, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang nakalagay na congrats. You did it! Redeem your Silver Creator Award. So, may pagpapa-up up dyan guys na button. So, tap nyo lang dito yung Redeem Award. And ayan guys, after nyan dito, ganito yung lalabas. So kung makikita nyo, meron kayo dyang redemption code or ito yung gagamitin natin na code para ma-claim natin or makapag-redeem tayo ng award. So tap lang natin dito guys yung redeem award. And ayan, mapupunta tayo dito. So scroll up lang natin. And dito guys, lalagay lang natin yung ating YouTube channel name. So make sure guys na ito yung mismong pangalan ng inyong channel. So, ayan. After nyo may lagay yung inyong YouTube name, i-scroll up nyo lang. And dito naman tayo sa Language for Creator Award Letter. So, dito pipili kayo kung ano bang language yung gusto ninyo para sa pagre-receive or para sa pag-send ng letter sa inyo, which is yun ngang award. So, pinili ko dito is yung English. So, kapag okay na guys, tap na natin yung approve and check out. Then, ito yung confirmation. So, this is a custom product and it's not eligible for cancellation or return. So, hindi dito pwedeng i-cancel or i-return since nga ito is custom product. Kumbaga, naka-personalize ito para sa inyo lang kasi nga, meron siyang pangalan ninyo. So, tap na natin dito guys yung approve. And ayan guys, dito naman, ito yung pinakang shipping address or yung shipping information na ilalagay natin. So dito, lagay nyo lang yung inyong pinakang email address. And then dito sa second box, lagay nyo lang yung inyong confirm email address or i-retype nyo lang yung inyong email address. So after nyan guys, i-scroll up lang natin. And ayan dito, lagay lang natin yung ating country. So palitan nyo yun guys. Ilagay nyo yung country ninyo. So, dito guys, lagay nyo din yung first name, last name, street address, and yung exact address niyo katulad ng inyong city, state, province, postal code, and phone number. And then, after nyo malagay guys, tap nyo lang yung next. And dito, pili lang kayo dito ng address na i-validate. So, ginamit ko na lang is yung original address ko. So, tap nyo lang yung confirm. And then, tap nyo lang guys yung next ulit. And ayan guys, ito na yung ating billing and shipping address. So, double check nyo lang kung tama yung mga information sa baba. So, kapag okay na guys, i-place order na natin or itap natin yung place order. So, kung makikita nyo guys, wala tayong babayaran dyan syempre kasi nga, ito is free lang kay YouTube. So, tap na natin guys yung place order. And dito, lagyan lang natin yung check mark, yung checkbox. And then, confirm and place order na natin. So, tap nyo yon. So, ayan guys, successfully, nakapag-order na tayo or nakapag-request na tayo ng ating silver play button. So, ito na yung pinakang order number natin. So, para ma-track nyo guys yung shipment, isave nyo lang yung order number. And then, may mag-i-email sa inyo. Sundan nyo lang yung directions kung paano nyo ba ma-track ng inyong parcel. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba umorder or mag-request ng YouTube silver play button. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!